Every month, the female body goes through a remarkable transformation, a symphony of hormones working in harmony, orchestrating the menstrual cycle. This cycle, often simply referred to as the period, is far more than just menstruation. At its heart, it's a finely tuned process that prepares the body for the possibility of pregnancy. To truly understand the female cycle, let's journey through its phases, uncover the roles of each hormone, and explore how these changes impact both body and mind. The menstrual cycle is typically around 28 days, though it can range from 21 to 35 days in adults. Each cycle is unique, influenced by genetics, lifestyle, and even stress. It's divided into 4 main phases: the menstrual phase, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. Each phase is governed by a delicate balance of hormones, chemical messengers that tell organs and tissues what to do. Let's begin with the menstrual phase, which marks day 1 of the cycle. This is when the uterus sheds its lining, resulting in menstrual bleeding. While it's the most visible phase, it's just the tip of the hormonal iceberg. Estrogen and progesterone, the 2 primary female sex hormones, are at their lowest during menstruation. As these levels fall, the uterine lining, no longer needed, is released. For many, this period lasts anywhere from 3 to 7 days, accompanied by symptoms like cramps, fatigue, and mood changes. As menstruation ends, the body shifts into the follicular phase. This phase is named after the follicles, tiny sacs in the ovaries that each contain an immature egg. The pituitary gland, located at the base of the brain, releases follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. This hormone prompts the ovaries to start preparing eggs for release. Under FSH's influence, several follicles begin to mature, but only one will become dominant and continue the journey. Meanwhile, estrogen levels start to rise. This hormone is responsible for rebuilding the uterine lining, creating a nourishing environment in case of pregnancy. Estrogen doesn't just affect the uterus, it also impacts the brain, skin, and bones. As estrogen ramps up, many people feel more energized, focused, and even notice clearer skin. The follicular phase generally lasts about 10 to 14 days, but this can vary from person to person. Around the middle of the cycle, a surge in another hormone, luteinizing hormone, or LH, triggers ovulation. This is the moment when the dominant follicle releases its egg, sending it on a journey down the fallopian tube. Ovulation is the window of fertility. It's when pregnancy is most likely to occur if sperm is present. Some people experience a brief twinge of pain, called Mittelschmerz, or notice changes in cervical mucus, which becomes clearer and more slippery to help sperm reach the egg. Ovulation is a pivotal event, but it's fleeting, usually occurring within a 24-hour window. If the egg isn't fertilized, it dissolves and is absorbed by the body. As ovulation ends, the luteal phase begins, bringing a new hormonal landscape. The luteal phase is dominated by progesterone, produced by the corpus luteum, the remains of the follicle that released the egg. Progesterone's main job is to stabilize the uterine lining, making it ready for a fertilized egg to implant. If pregnancy occurs, progesterone levels remain high to support the early stages of development. If not, both progesterone and estrogen levels will eventually drop, signaling the body to start the next cycle. During the luteal phase, many experience premenstrual symptoms, or PMS. These can include mood swings, irritability, bloating, breast tenderness, and changes in sleep or appetite. While the exact cause isn't fully understood, it's believed that the rise and fall of hormones like estrogen and progesterone play a key role in these changes. For some, these symptoms are mild. For others, they can be disruptive. It's important to recognize that hormones don't just affect physical health, they play a profound role in emotional and mental well-being. Serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter, is influenced by estrogen. During the follicular phase, as estrogen rises, many feel more positive or energetic. In the luteal phase, as estrogen declines, some may notice a dip in mood or increased sensitivity to stress. Beyond estrogen and progesterone, other hormones are at work too. Testosterone, often associated with males, is present in females and reaches its peak around ovulation, contributing to increased libido and sometimes assertiveness. There's also the interplay of FSH and LH, which coordinate the development and release of the egg. The menstrual cycle is an indicator of overall health. Changes in cycle length, intensity, or symptoms can signal underlying health issues, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, thyroid disorders, or hormonal imbalances. Nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management all play a role in supporting a healthy cycle. For example, chronic stress can disrupt the regularity of periods, while balanced meals and physical activity can help regulate hormones. Modern science continues to unravel the complexities of the menstrual cycle. Technology now allows people to track their cycles, identify patterns, and better understand their bodies. This knowledge empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health, family planning, and well-being. For those who menstruate, understanding the menstrual cycle isn't just about reproduction, it's about embracing a vital aspect of health. Open conversations help break down stigma and encourage early recognition of issues, ensuring timely care and support. In summary, the female cycle is a remarkable process governed by a finely tuned hormonal dance. From the shedding of the uterine lining to the surge of hormones that prepare the body for a potential pregnancy, each phase is essential. Estrogen and progesterone rise and fall, orchestrating changes that affect not just fertility, but energy, mood, and overall health. By understanding the cycle, we gain insight into the powerful role hormones play in our lives, reminding us of the resilience and adaptability of the human body. Whether you're tracking your cycle for health, family planning, or simply to better understand yourself, remember, each phase is natural, and each body is unique. Knowledge is the first step to empowerment, helping everyone navigate the rhythms of life with confidence and self-compassion.